Hi, it's Kevin from Floating Ideas. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to install your Floating Ideas shelves using Togler brand wall anchors. What you'll need for the install are the Togler anchors and machine bolts and washers we provided you with, a level, a tape measure, a socket wrench or a socket adapter with a 7/16 inch socket, a drill with a 1/4 inch bit and a 1/2 inch drill bit, as well as a pencil. You'll typically want to use anchors rather than lag bolts when you're drilling through material that makes it difficult to find the wall studs, or when your shelves are on the shorter side and the support won't necessarily span two studs. We use and recommend 1/4 inch toggle bolts from Togler, both for their ease of installation and for their strength, as they're rated to 265 pounds each. Okay, on to the installation. First, place your support in the desired position on the wall, and if you'd like, mark its position with a pencil. Using a 1/4 inch drill bit, drill a pilot hole through one of the guides in your support. Once the pilot is done, remove the support, switch to the 1/2 inch drill bit, and drill completely through the original pilot hole. Take one of your Togler anchors and move the straps so that the metal head is horizontal for insertion into the 1/2 inch hole that's been drilled into the drywall. Once it's in there, move the straps back so that it is perpendicular to the wall, and then pull back on the straps as tightly as you can and push the collar as tightly against the drywall as possible. Then snap the straps off. Then take one of the washers and machine bolts that we provided you when you purchased the shelves. You may notice that in this video we're using the original machine screws provided with the Togler anchors. These have a Phillips head, and you can install them with a Phillips head screwdriver rather than the 7/16 socket wrench. Tighten the machine bolt up until the support is snug but still movable, and then make sure it's nice and level. Then, using your 1/4 inch drill bit, make the second pilot hole. Loosen off your first bolt, drop the support a little bit to expose your pilot hole. Take your 1/2 inch drill bit, drill through there, and install the second Togler anchor. Then just slide your shelf over the support, make any final left or right adjustments, and decorate to your liking. Thanks for your support. Please hit like and subscribe for more Floating Ideas content, and contact us with any of your floating shelf or custom woodworking needs.